Restorations that have been characterized and glazed using the wet-on-wet staining technique or classic staining technique can be finalized with the structural technique. This technique provides ceramic restorations with a realistic surface texture and optical depth, creating a natural appearance from any angle. Unlike the other pastes, structure pastes must not be stirred in the jar. Instead, spatulate the material on a mixing pad using a clean, metal-free spatula until it reaches a smooth, workable consistency. For better sculptability, you may lightly moisten your brush or instrument with universal liquid, but do not dilute the paste itself. Apply the structure pastes over the dental surfaces of the restoration and sculpt the desired surface textures. Stiff brushes or metal-free instruments are suitable for this task. A maximum layer thickness of about 0.8 mm is recommended when applying the materials. Incorporate the micro-texture into the surface using a fine brush with a stiff tip or a fine instrument. For the gingival area, use the Structure Gingiva pastes. With a firm brush, you can create a natural stippling effect, sometimes referred to as orange peel effect. Along the proximal, incisal and tapered areas, you can spread the structure pastes thinly with magic glaze to achieve smooth transitions. Next, carry out a structure firing using the parameters recommended in the technical guide. In the Programmat furnaces from Ivoclar, the firing program is already pre-installed and ready to select. For an extra natural finish, you can vary the gloss in selected areas of your restoration. By combining matte and glossy areas, the restoration looks even more vibrant and lifelike. With the Ultra-Gloss Extra Oral polishers, pre- and high gloss polishing is accomplished easily and effectively. The result, a ceramic restoration with a true-to-nature three-dimensional effect, matching the natural tooth in shade, shape and surface texture.